Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can enable free VPN on Opera browser. So that's been said, let's get started. In order to enable free VPN on Opera browser, first of all, you have to install Opera browser. For that, you can simply visit opera.com and you can download Opera. After that, simply open Opera browser. So this is the interface of Opera browser. Let me maximize the window. Here, you can simply click on the setting icon, or else you can also visit setting by clicking on this menu option, and here you will find some quick access to Opera settings. Here under privacy and security, you will find VPN option. You can simply click on this option, enable in settings. Here you will find VPN pop-up. Simply click on I understand, and here you will find VPN option. If you don't get VPN option here, you can simply visit setting page, click on advanced option, and here click on privacy and security, and scroll down. Here you will find VPN option. Now to enable VPN, you can simply click on enable VPN option and it will enable VPN. Here on address bar you will get VPN icon. Under VPN settings you will find two settings. Connect to VPN when starting the browser. If you want to connect to the VPN when you start your browser, then simply turn this on, and here you will find another option called enable default search engine by bypassing VPN. After that, simply close this setting panel, and here you will find VPN option. To turn and turn off VPN, simply click on this VPN icon, and here you will find your option to turn it on and off. Let me turn it off, and here you can see VPN disconnected. Now if you want to enable VPN, simply turn this option on, and here you can see VPN is connected. And here we have virtual location option. If you want to select different location, then from the drop down menu you can select a location. Here you will find America, USA and Europe. If you want good experience on VPN, you can simply click on optimal location and it will connect to the fastest VPN connection. So this way you can enable free VPN on Opera browser. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.